United Kingdom te kowe kala phumumi okholo phewe ulatawe hini te chide apani ni chini kho shi뾱peuż ni tha phewe olo phewe mpula shena lutale mpta khu de chinna likhaga mhomu yelo wasqa te pha phewe tapato lo le ye te pha luwe showe ga phuwe yo te olo shata ga shewe
One night as people woke to downpours, flooded roads and transport problems. In southeast England, some train and underground services were hit by cancellations and delays. The Met Office had warned that spray and flooding on roads could lengthen journey times, while flooding of homes and businesses was possible owing to heavy rain overnight. A yellow thunderstorm warning has some buildings and structures from lightning strikes, more transport delays, and possible short-term loss of power. A similar warning has been issued for South Wales and Southwest England from 3 p.m. on Thursday until midnight. A yellow weather warning for rain, covering the south of England from Portsmouth to Canterbury and parts of London, was in place until 3 p.m. on Thursday. A total of 64 millimeters, Met Office said. The forecaster said the top rainfall totals recorded in the 12 hours from 9 p.m. on Wednesday until 8 a.m. on Thursday were at Kew Gardens in West London, where 42.2 millimeters fell, and Oldham in Hampshire. The Weather Service said the average rainfall for the entire month of November in Greater London was 69.3 millimeters and in Hampshire 104.65 millimeters. County Council warned people to be careful out there after it had reports of weather-related problems across its road network due to strong winds and heavy rain. Eliza Gomez, Disaster News 24.
Ngu kholo phe cheve olo shata te pha obyo ni la huya te ga lele ga shi ga ka ga mo phe tu opo la hu TV Thailand te owe Facebook phe le YouTube okholo ke kai la cheve yo nga hu la huya ka shu cho che khele shi la pi me mo la pi mingu chi kholo atho ma phe cheve olo tha ga shi ga ka ga mo pi te dolo kutele te tabe yo mingu kholo phe chebe olo shata te pha oso ga mo phe tu opo lahu TV Thailand te ko we YouTube le Facebook chebe tha ko subscribe ko like ko share ko tita she me